Sunma MDK620AB door lock hole processing machine. With the following main features and processing range. Processing good door lock holes, lock slots, and hanging wheel slots on the side. This machine has an integrated rack for easy transportation. Automatic tool alignment to ensure machining accuracy. Automatic thickness measurement to avoid input errors. Standalone and connected can be used and can be paired with QR code scanning. Fixed tabletop and lifting roller structure to ensure machining accuracy. X-axis gear rack. Y, Z-axis screw drive.